Good morning, and welcome to Mr. Eagle Weekly Crypto News about Worldcoin, Bitcoin, and crypto in general. Here is the headline of the week as you hit that subscribe button so as to not miss any of our weekly updates. To start, Worldcoin has decided to introduce World ID 2.0, which is more improved than the previous World ID. This improved version is set to be launched soon. The improved version is set to have some improved features for its users. Bitcoin price bounces up to $42,000 after a brief drop of 2% in a single day, hitting its annual high of the month. Worldcoin has officially been launched in Lisbon, Portugal, where orbs have been introduced already, and the sign-up for orb verification have started as soon as possible. New cryptocurrency known as Pi Network is nearly launched, which has grabbed the attention of the crypto market by now having more than 50 million members who uses it in its testing mode. Worldcoin is set to resume with its normal activities in Kenya after Worldcoin team having some conversations and agreement with the government of Kenya under a condition to resume with their activities. Bitcoin ETF approval is in the countdown as BlackRock discusses deals about Bitcoin. With less than 5 days remaining for Bitcoin ETF traders are eagerly waiting for the Bitcoin ETF approval, with confirmation being made by the SEC. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is ranging from 64 level to 70 level, hitting its lowest level at 64 and its highest level at 74 due to the news about Bitcoin and the ETF approval from the SEC and the BlackRock. Ethereum Fear and Greed Index ranging around the 60 level mark, hitting its highest at 66 and its lowest at 60 level mark. And lastly, did you know that when Bitcoin hits $43,700 and $41,000, more than $600 million capital will be liquidated out and wiped out from the market? Subscribe so as to be getting these news every single day, because all of the highlights will be explained more every single day starting from tomorrow. See you tomorrow for introduction of World ID 2.0 extended news. Thank you for your time. Stay battery. Goodbye.